Stop wrecking your spine with endless crunches. The secret to a strong, pain-free core isn't doing hundreds of sit-ups. It's mastering these 7 science-backed exercises. These moves will protect your spine, boost your stability, and keep you feeling strong and mobile at any age. No fancy equipment needed, just results. So tap like, hit subscribe, and let's build a core that keeps you moving for life. Number 1, side plank with rotation. The side plank with rotation is a powerful exercise for core stability, spinal support, and injury prevention. It strengthens the obliques, deep core, and shoulders while improving balance, coordination, and posture. The rotation adds a dynamic challenge, making it a must-have for long-term strength and mobility. Why it matters? Most people neglect the obliques, the muscles located on the sides of your abdomen. They are responsible for balance and preventing your body from tipping over during movement. Without strong obliques, you're far more likely to suffer from poor posture and injuries. How to do it? Start in a side plank position. Rotate your torso and thread your arm under your body before returning to the start. This movement strengthens the obliques, shoulders, and deep core muscles, improving balance and spinal support. Research shows that a strong lateral core reduces the risk of falls, which is a major cause of injuries as we age. Training your obliques dynamically builds better balance, spinal support, and long-term mobility. Number 2, hanging knee tucks. Hanging knee tucks strengthen your entire core, with a special focus on the lower abs. They also improve grip strength and shoulder stability, making them one of the most functional core exercises. How to do it? Hang from a pull-up bar. Engage your core and slowly lift your knees toward your chest. Pause at the top, then lower back down without swinging to maximize effectiveness. This exercise activates deep core muscles responsible for spinal stability. Consistently incorporating it into your routine will enhance your strength, movement control, and overall fitness. Number 3, dead bug. The dead bug is one of the most effective exercises for building a strong, stable core without putting pressure on your spine. And imagine your core as the foundation of a building. If it's weak, everything above it is at risk of collapsing. This exercise strengthens the transverse abdominis, the deepest layer of your core, which acts like a built-in weight belt, stabilizing your spine and preventing injury. How to do it? Lie on your back, extend one arm and the opposite leg while keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. This movement forces your core to resist rotation, improving coordination and balance. Studies show that activating the transverse abdominis reduces lower back pain and enhances overall core function. The dead bug trains your body to move efficiently, just like a well-tuned engine, making every movement smoother, stronger, and safer as you age. Number 4, reverse plank. The reverse plank is a highly underrated exercise that strengthens your entire posterior chain, including your lower back, glutes, hamstrings, shoulders, and deep core. It improves posture, spinal support, and mobility, making it essential for counteracting the effects of prolonged sitting and poor posture. Unlike the regular plank, which mainly targets the front of your core, the reverse plank strengthens the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, shoulders, and deep core muscles. Why it matters? Sitting for long periods weakens the glutes, lower back, and core, while tightening the hips and chest. This leads to poor posture, back pain, and reduced mobility as you age. How to do it? Sit on the floor with legs extended. Place your hands slightly behind your hips, fingers pointing forward. Press through your palms and heels to lift your hips, forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then lower back down. The reverse plank counteracts the effects of prolonged sitting, keeping your spine strong and your body upright. Number 5, the Pallof press. The Pallof press might look simple, but don't be fooled. It's one of the most effective anti-rotation exercises for building true core stability. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, which focus on forward flexion, the Pallof press trains your core to resist rotational forces, improving balance, posture, and injury prevention. This makes it a must-have for athletes, lifters, and anyone looking to build a rock-solid, functional core that supports everyday movements and long-term spinal health. How to do it? Attach a resistance band at chest height. Stand sideways to the anchor point, holding the band with both hands at your chest. Step away to create tension in the band. Press your hands straight out in front of you, resisting the pull of the band. Hold for a moment, then slowly return to the starting position. This exercise builds core stability that translates into better posture, reduced back pain, and stronger everyday movements. Number 6, Hanging leg raises. The hanging leg raise is a powerhouse exercise that strengthens your lower core, improves hip mobility, and even boosts grip strength, a surprising predictor of longevity. Since your core is the foundation of all your daily movements, it must be strong and stable. How to do it? Start by hanging from a pull-up bar. Engage your core to lift your legs. This works the lower abdominals and hip flexors. Unlike floor-based ab exercises, this movement forces your core to work against gravity, enhancing control and endurance. Master this, and you'll be training your body to stay strong, mobile, and resilient for life. Number 7, bird dog. Think of your core like the suspension system in a car. If it's weak or unbalanced, every bump in the road, whether bending, twisting, or lifting, feels rough and unstable, putting unnecessary strain on your spine. The bird dog strengthens the transverse abdominis and multifidus, two critical muscles that support the spine, absorbing impact like a well-tuned suspension system. How to do it? Start on all fours. Extend one arm and the opposite leg while keeping your torso still. By doing this, you're training your body to resist unwanted movement, which is exactly what your core does when you walk, run, or carry something heavy. Bird dog isn't about how many reps you can do, it's about how well you control the movement. If you want a spine that ages like a high-performance machine, this exercise is a must. Final thoughts. Your core is the powerhouse of your body, supporting every movement, improving posture, and protecting you from pain and injury. Strengthening it isn't just about looking fit, it's about building a body that stays strong, mobile, and resilient for decades to come. These 7 exercises are your key to unlocking a pain-free, powerful core that supports you in everything you do. Now it's your turn. Commit to these exercises, and in just a few weeks, you'll feel stronger, more stable, and more energized. If this video helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs this. Let's build lifelong strength together. Strong,